Imagine this. A cosmic bombshell has just dropped, and it's shaking the very foundations of what we believe about the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye in the sky, has unveiled something jaw-dropping. A crystal-clear image of Proxima B, the closest exoplanet to Earth, a mere 4.2 light-years away. That's right, we're talking about a world that could rewrite the story of life itself. Buckle up, because this revelation is about to take you on a wild, emotional ride through the stars, packed with shocking truths, tantalizing secrets, and a question that's haunted humanity for centuries. Are we alone? Let's set the stage. Proxima B isn't just any exoplanet. Discovered back in 2016, it's been the ultimate tease. A celestial body that's got astronomers, dreamers, and truth-seekers buzzing with one burning question. Could this be Earth's cosmic twin? Why the hype? Well, this alien world orbits in the sweet spot of its star, Proxima Centauri, a place where liquid water, the elixir of life, might just exist. Picture it. A planet, roughly the size of Earth, twirling around a red dwarf star. Close enough to feel the warmth, but not so close, it's a scorched wasteland. It's like the universe is dangling a carrot, whispering, "What if?" And now, with this stunning new image from the James Webb Telescope, that whisper has turned into a roar. But before we dive into the mind-blowing details, let's zoom out for a second. The universe is a pretty crowded place. As of today, April 14th, 2025, scientists have confirmed nearly 7,000 exoplanets, worlds orbiting stars beyond our sun. That's 7,000 potential homes for life. And get this, experts estimate there could be up to 50 billion more in our Milky Way alone. 50 billion. It's like finding out your quiet neighborhood is actually a bustling metropolis. Among all these worlds, Proxima B stands out like a beacon. Why? Because it's practically next door. At 4.2 light-years, it's a cosmic hop, skip, and jump. Well, if you ignore the fact that's still 37.8 trillion kilometers. With today's tech, it'd take thousands of years to get there. But who needs a spaceship when you've got a telescope that can peer into the soul of the cosmos? So what's the big deal about this new image? Let's get to the heart of it. The James Webb Telescope, launched in 2021, is a marvel of human ingenuity. It's not just a camera. It's a time machine, a cosmic detective, and a dreamweaver all rolled into one. Its infrared eyes can pierce through dust clouds and capture light that's been traveling for billions of years. Until now, we've never seen Proxima B like this. Previous images were fuzzy at best, more like cosmic Rorschach tests than actual photographs. But this is different. It's sharp, it's vivid, and it's sparking a frenzy. The image shows Proxima B in unprecedented detail, revealing features that make your heart race. Hints of surface textures, maybe even glimmers of an atmosphere. Is that a cloud? A shadow? A reflection of water? The possibilities are electrifying. Now let's talk about why Proxima B has everyone so obsessed. For starters, it's got Earth-like vibes. With a mass about 1.17 times that of our planet, it's probably rocky, not a gassy giant like Jupiter. That means it could have mountains, valleys, maybe even oceans. But here's the kicker. It orbits its star every 11.2 days. Compare that to Earth's leisurely 365-day stroll around the sun. Proxima B is in a cosmic sprint, zipping around so close to its star, about 7 million kilometers, that you'd think it's a fireball. But Proxima Centauri isn't like our sun. It's a red dwarf, smaller, cooler, and a bit moodier. That closeness puts Proxima B right in the habitable zone, where temperatures could allow liquid water to pool, flow, and maybe, just maybe, nurture life. But hold on, it's not all cosmic rainbows and stardust. There's a twist that makes this story even more gripping. Proxima B is likely tidally locked, meaning one side always faces its star, while the other is plunged into eternal darkness. Imagine a world split in two. One half, a scorching desert, the other, a frozen tundra. Sounds inhospitable, right? But here's where it gets wild. Scientists think there could be a narrow band between these extremes, a twilight zone where conditions might be just right. Picture lakes fed by melting glaciers from the cold side, rivers winding through a dim, eternal sunset. It's a scene that feels like it's ripped from a sci-fi epic, but it's real. Or at least, it could be. Let's dig deeper into this new image. What makes it so shocking? For one, it's not just a blurry dot anymore. The James Webb's advanced instruments have picked up spectral data, clues about what Proxima B is made of. Early analysis suggests signs of an atmosphere, maybe even one with water vapor. Water vapor! That's the kind of discovery that sends chills down your spine. It's not proof of life, but it's a giant neon sign, pointing in that direction. The image also hints at surface features, dark patches that could be vast plains, bright spots that might be icy peaks. Every pixel is a puzzle piece, and the scientific community is buzzing, racing to decode it. Social media is exploding with reactions, from wide-eyed wonder to wild speculation about alien cities. The truth? We don't know yet, but the possibilities are intoxicating. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Could there be life on Proxima B? This is where things get emotional. For centuries, humans have looked to the stars, wondering if we're alone. The idea that life, whether it's microbes or something more complex, could exist just 4.2 light-years away is both thrilling and humbling. Proxima B's habitable zone status is a huge point in its favor, but there are challenges. That red dwarf star it orbits, it's a bit of a cosmic troublemaker. Red dwarfs are known for flaring, unleashing bursts of radiation that could strip a planet's atmosphere faster than you can say alien apocalypse. A few years ago, astronomers caught Proxima Centauri throwing a tantrum, blasting out ultraviolet radiation 14,000 times stronger than anything our sun could muster. That kind of stellar rage could spell doom for life, frying any budding ecosystems. But don't lose hope yet. There's a flip side. What if Proxima B has a magnetic field, like Earth's, shielding it from those flares? Or what if it started with so much water, 10 times more than Earth, that even after eons of stellar abuse, it still has oceans left? Some models suggest exactly that. A world with a global sea, frozen on one side, boiling on the other, but temperate in that magical twilight zone. And if there's water, there's a chance for life. Not necessarily little green men, but maybe microbes, algae, or something we can't even imagine. The thought alone is enough to make your heart skip a beat. Let's talk about how we got this image, because the tech behind it is straight up mind-boggling. The James Webb Telescope doesn't just snap photos like your phone. It uses a technique called direct imaging combined with spectroscopy to tease out details from a planet that's trillions of kilometers away. Proxima B doesn't transit its star from our perspective, so we can't use the usual trick of watching for dips in starlight. Instead, Webb's coronagraph blocks out the star's glare, letting the planet's faint light shine through. It's like trying to spot a firefly next to a spotlight. And yet, Webb did it. The result? A portrait of Proxima B that's not just a scientific triumph, but a human one. A testament to our relentless curiosity. Now picture this scene. A team of astronomers huddled around a screen as the first data streams in. The room is silent, the air thick with anticipation. Then, the image loads. Gasps, whispers. Someone mutters, "Is that real?" It's a moment that echoes the Apollo landings, the Hubble Deep Field, the first black hole image. It's humanity staring into the abyss and finding something staring back. This image isn't just pixels. It's a mirror reflecting our hopes, our fears, our place in the cosmos. It's a reminder that we're part of something vast, something alive. But let's not get too carried away. Yet, science is a slow burn, and while this image is a game changer, it's not the whole story. We still don't know if Proxima B has an atmosphere, let alone one that could support life. The spectral hints are promising, but they're just that, hints. Teams around the world are working overtime, analyzing every scrap of data. Some are running simulations to model what kind of atmosphere could produce those signals. Others are debating whether those surface features are geological or something else entirely. The truth is, we're at the edge of a cliff, and the next few months could push us into uncharted territory or leave us with more questions than answers. Here's what we do know. Proxima B is a rocky world, about 17% heavier than Earth, orbiting a star that's a fraction of the Sun's size. Its year is a blink and you miss it, 11 days, and its surface is a tale of two extremes, hot and cold, light and dark. If it has water, it's likely in that twilight zone, where conditions might mimic Earth's milder climates. If it has life, it's probably adapted to a world we can barely comprehend. And if it doesn't, it's still a monument to the universe's endless creativity, a planet that challenges everything we think we know. Let's take a moment to feel the weight of this. 4 years ago, the idea of a clear image of Proxima B was a pipe dream. Now, it's reality. This isn't just about one planet. It's about what's next. If Proxima B can look this good, what else is out there? The James Webb Telescope is already targeting other exoplanets, each with its own story. TRAPPIST-1's 7 worlds, Kepler 452b, Gliese 581g, they're all waiting in the wings. Every image, every spectrum brings us closer to answering that ultimate question. Is there anybody out there? And even if we don't find life, we're learning that the universe is far stranger, far richer than we ever imagined. Now let's get personal. Why does this matter to you? Because Proxima B isn't just a dot in the sky. It's a symbol of possibility. It's a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, that our story is still being written. Maybe you're watching this late at night, staring at the stars, wondering what it all means. Maybe you're a kid dreaming of becoming an astronaut, or a skeptic who thinks it's all hype. Whoever you are, this image is for you. It's a call to wonder, to question, to imagine. It's a spark that could ignite the next big idea, whether it's a breakthrough in science, a new way to explore the cosmos, or just a deeper appreciation for our fragile blue dot. Let's zoom in on that image one more time. Those faint smudges, those tantalizing glints. What are they telling us? Are they mountains carved by ancient winds, oceans reflecting starlight, or something we can't even name? The beauty of this moment is that we don't have all the answers. Not yet. But we're closer than ever. The James Webb Telescope has given us a gift, a glimpse of a world that's both alien and familiar, a world that feels like it's reaching out to us across the void. And as we stare back, we can't help but feel a surge of hope, a pang of longing, a thrill of discovery. So what's next? The data from this image is just the beginning. Scientists are already planning follow-up observations, hoping to catch more light, more clues. New telescopes, like the extremely large telescope in Chile, are coming online, ready to join the hunt. And who knows, maybe one day we'll send a probe, a tiny messenger to Proxima B, carrying our questions and our dreams. For now, though, we have this image, a snapshot of a world that's changed how we see the universe. It's a beacon in the dark, a reminder that the cosmos is alive with possibilities. As we wrap up, let's linger on that feeling. The goosebumps, the racing pulse, the sense that we're on the brink of something huge. Proxima B isn't just a planet, it's a story, and we're all part of it. Whether it's a barren rock or a thriving oasis, it's teaching us to look up, to dream big, to keep searching. The James Webb Telescope has shown us what's possible, but it's up to us to decide what comes next. Will we find life? Will we find ourselves? Or will we find something so strange, so beautiful, that it changes everything? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. The universe is calling, and we're finally ready to answer. The universe just dropped a bombshell that's sending shockwaves through every corner of the globe. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's ultimate cosmic spy, has unleashed a breathtaking, heart-stopping image of Proxima B, the closest exoplanet to Earth, a tantalizing world just 4.2 light-years away. This isn't just a picture, it's a portal to a realm that could redefine everything we believe about life, the cosmos, and our place in it. Released in April 2025, this image is a game-changer, a visual symphony that's got everyone from stargazers to scientists clutching their hearts and gasping, "Could this be it?" Get ready for an emotional roller coaster as we dive into the electrifying details of this cosmic revelation, packed with the latest breakthroughs, jaw-dropping possibilities, and a question that's burning brighter than ever. Is Proxima B our ticket to finding alien life? Let's cut to the chase. This new image is a stunner, unlike anything we've ever seen. Forget grainy blobs or pixelated guesses. This is Proxima B, in vivid, almost surreal detail. The James Webb's cutting-edge tech has peeled back the curtain, revealing a world that feels alive, pulsing with secrets. Picture this: faint swirls that could be atmospheric storms, glimmers that hint at reflective surfaces, maybe even liquid. The telescope's infrared wizardry has captured light that's danced across trillions of kilometers, giving us a front-row seat to a planet that's been teasing us since its discovery nearly a decade ago. Social media is on fire, with millions sharing zoomed-in snippets, circling spots they swear look like rivers or craters. The excitement is contagious, and it's no wonder why this image feels like a love letter from the universe, daring us to dream. What makes this moment so explosive? It's not just the clarity, it's what the image suggests. Early data from the telescope's spectrographs, tools that decode the chemical fingerprints of light, points to something wild. An atmosphere with traces of gases that scream potential. We're talking molecules like carbon dioxide, maybe methane, and, hold your breath, possible hints of water vapor. Water vapor. That's the cosmic equivalent of finding a welcome sign on an alien doorstep. Now, let's be clear. This isn't confirmation of life. Not yet. But it's the kind of clue that makes your pulse race. Because where there's water, there's hope. Scientists are buzzing, working round the clock to confirm these signals, and the world is watching, hanging on every update. Proxima B's story is already the stuff of legend. Orbiting Proxima Centauri, a feisty red dwarf star, this planet is a paradox, a world that's both alien and eerily familiar. It's got a mass close to Earth's, suggesting a rocky surface where boots could theoretically tread. Its orbit is a dizzying 11-day whirl around its star. So close, you'd think it's a cosmic barbecue. But red dwarfs burn cooler than our sun, so Proxima B sits in that Goldilocks zone where things could be just right. The latest models, hot off the press in 2025, paint a picture that's equal parts thrilling and bizarre. Imagine a planet where one side bakes under constant starlight while the other shivers in perpetual night. Between them, a ribbon of possibility, a twilight band where temperatures might cradle liquid water, maybe even spark life. Here's where it gets crazier. The new image isn't just a pretty face. It's rewriting what we thought we knew. For years, skeptics argued Proxima B might be a radiation-blasted wasteland, thanks to its star's notorious flare-ups. These stellar outbursts can be apocalyptic, spewing energy that could strip a planet bare. But the latest research flips the script. Some scientists now believe Proxima B could have a secret weapon, a molten core churning out a magnetic field like Earth's to deflect those cosmic tantrums. If true, it's a game-changer, suggesting this planet could hold on to its atmosphere and maybe its water for billions of years. The image supports this, showing no signs of a barren, airless rock. Instead, it hints at a dynamic world, one that's fighting to stay alive. Let's talk about that atmosphere for a second because it's the talk of the town. The spectral data from Webb is like a cosmic Rosetta Stone, and researchers are decoding it with feverish intensity. Beyond water vapor, there's chatter about oxygen, not the kind that guarantees life, but the kind that raises eyebrows. Oxygen in an atmosphere doesn't just happen. It needs a source, like plants or microbes on Earth. Could Proxima B have its own version? Probably not, say the cautious types. It could be from water molecules splitting under starlight. But the romantics among us, they're dreaming of alien ecosystems, of life forms we can't even picture. The truth lies somewhere in between, and every new analysis brings us closer to cracking the code. Now picture the scene when this image hit the world. It's April 2025, and data streams into observatories from Webb's orbit, 1,000,000 miles from Earth. Screens light up and jaws drop. The image loads slowly, pixel by pixel, revealing a world that feels tantalizingly close. Whispers turn to shouts as scientists spot details they never expected, patterns that defy old models, colors that spark wild theories. Within hours, the news spreads like wildfire. Posts on platforms explode with hashtags, memes, and heartfelt pleas. Is this our new home? It's not just science, it's a cultural earthquake, a moment that unites us in awe and wonder. People step outside, look up, and feel a connection to something bigger. A planet that's both a stranger and a sibling. Let's zoom in on Proxima B's quirks, because this planet is full of surprises. Its tidal lock-in creates a split personality, dayside versus nightside, with a twilight zone that's stealing the spotlight. The latest simulations suggest this zone could be wider than we thought, maybe spanning thousands of kilometers. Imagine standing there, under a sky that's never fully dark or bright, watching clouds drift over alien horizons. The image hints at such a place, with patches that could be weather systems, storms brewing in that eternal dusk. If water exists, it's likely here, pooling in basins or flowing in streams, fed by melting ice from the frozen side. It's a landscape that feels like a painter's fever dream, yet it's real, captured in light, that left Proxima B years ago. What's fueling this frenzy isn't just the image, it's the timing. In 2025, humanity's on the cusp of a new era. Space exploration is booming, with missions planned to Mars, the Moon, and beyond. Telescopes like Webb are joined by new players, like the Vera Rubin Observatory, scanning for more exoplanets. Meanwhile, AI is crunching data at light speed, helping us spot patterns we'd miss otherwise. Proxima B's image lands at the perfect moment, when our tools, our dreams, and our courage are aligning. It's not just a photo. It's a rallying cry, urging us to push further, to ask bigger questions. Could we send a probe? Could we listen for signals? The possibilities are dizzying. Let's get real about the challenges, though, because this isn't a fairy tale. Proxima B's star is a wild card. Those flares aren't just fireworks, they're potential planet killers. Even with a magnetic field, the radiation could make life a long shot. Then there's the distance. At 4.2 light-years, it's close by cosmic standards, but still a chasm. A probe, even one zipping at breakneck speed, would take decades to arrive. And what if we find nothing? No life? No water? Just rock? It's a risk, but here's the thing. Every pixel in this image screams that it's worth it. Even a lifeless Proxima B would teach us volumes about how planets form, how stars shape their worlds. It's a win either way, but oh, the dream of life. That's what keeps us up at night. Speaking of dreams, let's talk about what this means for you, wherever you are. This image isn't just for lab coats and telescope nerds, it's for everyone who's ever wondered what's out there. Maybe you're gazing at the stars, feeling small but inspired. Maybe you're a parent, showing your kid a picture of Proxima B and saying, this could change everything. Or maybe you're just curious, scrolling through feeds, caught by the shimmer of an alien world. Whoever you are, this moment belongs to you. It's a reminder that we're explorers, that our questions matter, that the universe is still full of mysteries waiting for us to solve them. The science behind this image is a marvel in itself. Webb's mirrors, chilled to near absolute zero, catch photons that have journeyed for years. Its instruments slice light into rainbows, revealing chemical secrets. This isn't easy work. Proxima Centauri's glare is a beast, and Proxima B's light is a whisper. Yet Webb's team pulled it off, using tricks like starshade technology to block the star's blaze. The result? A portrait that's as much art as science, a testament to human grit and genius. And it's not a one-off. Webb's already queuing up more targets, from nearby exoplanets to distant galaxies, each a chance to rewrite the cosmic story. Let's linger on the emotional weight of this. When you see Proxima B's image, it's not just a planet. It's a mirror. It reflects our longing to connect, to find others, to know we're not alone. It's a spark that could ignite a kid's passion for science, a poet's next verse, a philosopher's deepest thoughts. It's a call to action, too. What do we do with this knowledge? Do we double down on exploration, fund more telescopes, dream of starships? Or do we pause, humbled by the vastness, and focus on protecting our own world? There's no wrong answer, but the question itself is electric, charging us to think bigger. As we look ahead, the future feels alive with promise. The next few months will bring more data, more debates, maybe even clearer images. Other observatories are joining the party, from ground-based giants to space-bound sentinels. Proxima B is just the start, a trailblazer for the thousands of exoplanets we'll study next. Each one's a story, a chance to learn, to grow, to wonder, and who knows? Maybe one day we'll detect a signal, a whisper from Proxima